Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining again. This is John. This is the channel of Moon High Effect, and today we're up for crypto trading lessons number 5. We're gonna start today with a trading plan, and this will be separate in a few movies because otherwise it will be way too long to watch it several times. And then you have a bit of time also to fill it in. I think by the end of the week everything will be done. So let's jump in. Crypto plan, holding and trading. So this is going to be a holding and trading plan together, mixed. You can also use it for your holding plan, so or your main long-term holdings. But please keep you to the plan. Your plan is worth its weight in gold. Sorry. This is translated straight off my language, so it's a bit strangely translated. I really meant here that your plan is worth much of gold because it's your plan and it will get you to the point that you want to get to. I show you my plan, fill this in for yourself so that it's adapted to yourself. So that means yours will be a bit different than mine, but I've give you some pointers and you just got to fill them in. Do take a sheet of paper or something that you can put together like a book so that you can read it before you start trading. So we're going to use this plan a lot, so please be very careful and fill this in. Take your time to do so because you will use it a lot. Take a pen and paper. This is important. Write this down for yourself so that you can read it every day. Yeah, we're gonna read it twice every day. So I hope everybody is already on the mindset stuff. So because this will help you in the later stages. Crypto plan. Stick to your own plan because this plan will be built by you. So that's why you have to stick to it. So you can choose to really follow it up, and everybody you will really gain a lot out of it if you have just keep stacking this up, following your own. Spend some time on this. This is very important. It is your plan. Do it one time, but good. So take your time. Maybe it takes you a half week or a week to fill this in. That's okay. But please keep it to that because you will be using it a lot. Don't follow the media. Only your own plan will work. So what I mean by this, if the media says Bitcoin is going to 10,000, please do not follow the media. Follow your own plan, what you are betting that it will be going into. So be here. I'm also going to show you mines, which we are going to do. So if you see the media say it's going to go 10,000 and everybody is buying into it, don't follow it. Just say 20,000. 22,000. That will be my maximum that I will jump into it. I maybe will have a small amount on 10,000 if it ever would get there, but I never think it will. So stick to your plan. So your plan is yours. You made it. It's much gold worth because it will bring you gold. Read it at least 2 times a day so that you get used to it and it is imprinted to yourself so that you can really use it every day again. Make this for yourself. Everyone has their own idea about trading and other needs. That I mean by how much money do you need from it, and do you want to live from it? Do you want to spend more? Some people are okay with just having a 500 euros a month. Some people need like 2,000 a month. So it's different. So everybody has his own choice. Just make it like you wanted it, so that you know where you're growing to. Let's start with it. Our crypto holding plan. This is also a bit of a trading plan, but we will achieve what we need to do. So you can do this for holding and for trading. So the mission, what is your goal? And what's your goal that you wish to achieve in the short term? And what do you want to achieve in the longer term? So my answer was, in the short term, I want to double my account. So that was for trading. And also in the long term holdings, I want to make sure once I achieved my doubling account, I just take the profit out of it so that it was really house money. And long term, I was willing to keep it in. In the short term, I wanted to use that money, put it into a stable coin, and make sure I had certain liquidity at the side so that if it dropped back, that I could put it back in. Now, my long-term plan was building out a community where everybody can live free, holding can live free. And my holdings that I wanted to have is 1 Bitcoin, 5 Ethereums, 10,000 XRPs, and 250 Link. This is for me, so nobody has to follow me. Make your own stuff that you want to have and try to grow to it. So once you ever get there, you would be very happy. Crypto plan, my concept. Who are you doing this? how are you going to do this? My example, the only way to make more money is to take profit. Sell high, preset the sell orders, buy low, and preset the buy orders. So that's one just for the holding plan, of course. With trading plan, you can do both sides, but then it's putting a sell order in when it goes down and putting a buy order in when it goes up. You can do them both. So, but I'll show you that in one of our trading courses later on. Orders can be left open for a longer period of time. Let the market come to you and always take profit. So you have to set yourself like how much money that you put into it. You have to make sure that you say, if I say 30%, I'm happy. So after 50%, I'm happy. So set your sell order at 50% so that you have all the money that you put into it straight away back. Make it even 60% that you sell from the proportion that you have into it, so that you already have profit too. And buy low, that means that you can use like 30% for dust when it drops back down, put it back in, and so that you have more coins afterwards too. Why do we set preset? Because then you're not able to you watch emotionally at it. Sometimes it will not be easy to let them just stand there and do nothing, but yeah, like I said, you have to do this with money that you can spare, so that you don't need anything else out of it, and you just can leave it there for a longer period of time. And when the market comes to you, like it has now done for me recently, then you're very happy because your trade went in and you're making profit. And straight away, if you want to jump in a trade, it's not easy to make profit straight away out of it. Strategy. How are we going to do this? My example is making more BTC by buying other coins that rise faster than BTC. So once BTC starts to go up, you see normally the altcoins join it, and they go normally quite fast also after it. So then I buy BTC back with the profits of the coins that raise faster, and I do swap it completely. That I mean, I don't leave anything in the altcoins, then I swap it straight away back to Bitcoin. You can also do it the second way, and that's by putting the profits from altcoins into stable coins, waiting till BTC drops again, and then putting it back into BTC and buying it on a dip. So when BTC drops back down, then you can buy the dip from BTC, and then you have also more profit. Structure. How do you work? How do you work that you can do it? This is quite a strange sentence, I must say. Oh yeah, how are we going to be able to do this? This is what I want to say. We're gonna trust my plan. So place the buy orders in advanced. Market comes to you. So we always place our trading orders in advance. You can do this on Binance or on a centralized exchange. You cannot do this on a decentralized exchange. Do remember that. So once you're trading on a centralized exchange, do also know that your money is not yours. If the exchange closes, yeah, the money is gone. So be prepared to be able not to gain anything also, because yeah, the money is not yours really. It's like at a bank, the money is not yours too. If you want a movie about the money system, I can give it you perfectly too, because it's so not good at this point. Place your sale orders in advance. This way you stick to your plan and you take profit if necessary. So like I said before, placing sell orders and buy orders in advance is much more likely that you will achieve what you want to get, because it's not easy to do so when the market is going up and you watch some movies and you saw it like your plan went perfectly and you went above the percentage that you were onto it. Please take money, please take profit, and if you not set your orders, you will maybe hesitate, your emotions will come up, you will be very happy at that point, but when it drops back down, you will not be happy at all. So please be careful. Before you place a trade, read your plan and stick to it. Are you not sure? Meditate and stay calm. A meditation program I can give you, just send me an email. It's very cheap, you can get it from me. It's a program I bought for like 10,000 euros. So it's not a cheap program for me, but it will be for you because I give it at a very cheap price. So just let me know and give me an email. Before you place a trade, read your plan. That I mean, really read this complete plan. So there will be certain steps into this plan also what you need to do before you take a trade. And if these steps are not completed completely, please do not take a trade. That's how it goes. Amy? You okay? Sorry, got distracted. My cat just walked in. I think she wants some rest at this point. My cat. She just had 4 little kittens today. No, yesterday. But she looks okay. Hey, you look okay, Naomi. Say hello. No, she's not up talking. Okay, so this is your expenses in the month. So how much do you spend and how much money do you want to gain out of it? So for me, this is just an example for myself, like a house rent, 900 euros, electrician bills, money to live from, telephone bills, gas bills, everything that you have from bills, you put them into here, and then you sum up the total. So then you know how much money you would need if you want to live from your crypto trading. So then you also know how much money you need to be putting it in. So I'm keeping this quite short because this is for everybody something else. But please fill this also in so that you know where you're going to hit and how much you need. If you're just doing this as an extra, just to go on vacation, then you don't have to put this in. You just put the end part in. Vacation, I need that much, and you know where to go to. Crypto holdings. Never hold more than 8 coins as long-term holdings, so that you can easily keep an overview swing trade with maximum 5. As short-term holdings, trade account, you only need 3 coins. If you want to start learning how to trade, please keep it with low amount of coins, because if you need, if you're starting to trade three trading pairs is more than enough. You have to learn the chart from those coins. You have to study them constantly. So I would only start with 1 even, but 3 is really the maximum. Even for a good experienced trader, 3 is more than enough really. Swing trades you can do max 5, so that means that you can have 5 coins you want to swing from one coin to another. And holdings I would not do more than 8. Why not? Because there won't exist that many coins at the end part anyway, so make sure that you pick coins that has a utility and a use case after it. So what do I mean? Like smart contract platforms always have something nice after it. Bitcoin, because he has proven himself to be already here for a long time. And then then you have to choose yourself which ones you want to go into. Make sure that they have like a smart contract platform after it, and most of them will succeed, but not all of them. So make sure if you want to put a new one into the long-term holdings that you really learn the economics about it, what they do, how much they earn, what they can have a use case for in Belgium or any other kind in the other place in the world. So make sure you know what you're doing. Trust my plan. You made it yourself. Stick to your plan. This way I'm always happy no matter what happens in the market. So now the market went down, I'm still okay with it because I took my profits. Did you? If you cannot answer that part, if you say no, that means you did not follow the market, but you did not follow your plan, but you followed somebody else's. And that's not the way to make money in the market. I will always take profit when my targets are hit, and do not look at the markets with emotions or influenced by the media. So never listen to it. If they say it goes to 10,000, it never will get to 10,000. So my example, reread this every day so that you follow this to main points, presets, and buy main points, preset my buy and sell orders. So that's again in it. So that means it is really important, people, and they do not. A lot of people do not do it. I had a lot of students under me already, so a lot of people did not do this and they are not as happy than they should have been. So please preset it. I will show you how to do this in another one, so but do write this down, please. Motivation. This is also a very important one, and this is how you keep yourself motivated for keep doing this. This is why you do this, so that you can always motivate yourself and continuing doing it. My example, I want to be financial freedom, so I'm as good as there. Travel whenever I want and where I want to go, that I can do. Being able to have more time with my family, that I can do too. Have more time for myself, and I can enjoy, love, and do what I want. Yeah, 90% I can do that too. So I like the way it's going at this point. So I made more money since than I have in the last 10 years working. So by knowing the knowledge of this, you can really make a lot of money, but you have to stick to your own plan also. How much time do I have? This is also important. Are you still in a job from 9 to 5, or do you do this as a living? That determines what kind of trader you are. So you can be long-term trader, swing trader, scalp trader. Yeah, it depends really what you want to be, and it also depends how much time you have. So please stick to this. This can be from 1 hour a day to 1 hour a week to 1 hour, to 10 hours a day even if you want to, but it's your choice, and please try to make a routine out of it. So you have to keep doing this for 30 days or more, so it becomes a routine for yourself. So for myself, I do it 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening. So that's my routine into it. 1 hour in the evening after meditation. In the afternoon, look at the maps, maximum 10 minutes on my mobile phone. If I trade, check every 4 hours, only on mobile phone, not on the computer, otherwise I would be having too much screen time, and you don't need it anyway. All the apps that you can read the maps of, TradingView, you can have it on your phone too, and the mobile trading plans, trading exchanges. Try to speak nicely, John. Good. The mobile trading exchanges have also one, so that you don't need blah blah blah. So you don't need your crypto plan, but you don't need your. Oh my God! Oh, it's hot in here. So you don't need your PC constantly with you. My goals: how much do I want to get out of it monthly? How much do I what do you wish to do with the money you earn? Ooh. Okay, so we really have to write this down too, so that you know what you're gonna do with it. It's important to know in advance what you're gonna do with it, so everybody can that you can use it when you need it. My example, I needed like 2,000 a month, giving everyone in my community financial freedom, full self-sustainable life, so that I can live freely, start up real life community in Portugal, where everything can be done off grid. So I wanted to start up a community in Portugal. I'm not there yet, but anybody that wants to help, you're always welcome to join, so that we can build it up together. It's always nice to have more people around. My stronger points. So you put it down also your stronger points and your less stronger points. Example of stronger points: following intuition, self-confidence, and be patient. What are my less strong points? Also write it this way. So don't put your weak points, put your less strong points. So after you read this constantly, your brain will adapt to it, that it also becomes strong points, because less and more and everything like that doesn't exist. Not in the language of the upper mind, anyway. Up to the next one. Example: stick to your plan. Reread your plan every day. Enjoy and smile from everything I do. So sometimes I did not remember to do this. That's why they are my less stronger points. Okay, this will be next lesson. We will continue with the trading plan. So please fill it in. Put it on stop, rewatch it, just fill everything in yourself on a piece of paper, so that you have it with you. If you want to make an Excel file out of it, or make it on Word, it's the same, you can choose. But please fill it in and take your time to do so, because you will enjoy it later on. So that it's ready for your next lesson.